Hey YouTube, I'm showing you some websites if you want to buy some airsoft guns online that are pretty cheap. Some of them are like free shipping, they're trusted. Yeah. First one is airsoftwarcamreviews .com. I'm buying a sniper off this site right now. It's pretty cheap. They have like a lot of the you can search guns by price, which is pretty nice. If you're looking like certain price you want a gun in maybe. The next one is Airsoft I guess. Um, this site's nice because you can search like low cost airsoft guns, although I much rather prefer the other site that I just showed you. You could actually pick your own cost. Next one is Airsplat, yeah. Okay, .com. Yeah. This one I never bought off yet, but yeah, it's just cool. Airsoft GI is the last one. No, wait. Did I show that one? No, I went to GI, sorry guys. Airsoft Post. Yeah. This one's really nice because it has really cheap guns. If you're looking for cheap, powerful guns for airsoft work. Yeah, those are all the websites that are good by us.